Hey everyone, I'm Kelsey from Wearable Whisperer, and in this video, I'm unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6. The version I purchased is the 44mm GPS only with gold aluminum case and pink sand sport band. After pulling up on both of these tabs and pushing them to the side, the outer packaging opens up to reveal some really nice Apple Watch artwork. Moving the outer packaging out of the way, we actually find not one, but two inner boxes, with one stacked on top of the other. The top inner box contains the Apple Watch case, while the other box houses the band segments. Lifting up the lid of the first box, we find the Apple Watch on the left. It comes with a protective covering that, in this case at least, matches the color of the band. It also shows the case size on the back. It takes a little more effort than expected to slide the watch out of the protective cover, but once it's off, you can see the 44mm display. Turning it to the side, you can see the digital crown, the built-in microphone, and the side button. On the back is the optical and electrical heart sensor, as well as the new blood oxygen sensor. And the other side contains the built-in speaker, as well as some air vents. As for what else is in the first box, we have some brief instructions for the first few things you need to know to get started using your Apple Watch, as well as some useful information for how to interact with your watch using the display, digital crown, and side button. Under the paperwork, we find the charging cable. The charger attaches magnetically to the back of the Apple Watch, and the other side connects to any compatible USB Type-A power source. To give you a quick demonstration, I'll go ahead and plug the USB portion into a portable charger, and then attach the magnetic side to the back of my Apple Watch case. You'll see that the magnet is pretty strong, and also, if your Apple Watch is turned off, it will turn on when connected to the charger. Next, we'll go ahead and unbox the band. This is the pink sand sport band, and it's the band that will most likely come with the gold aluminum case if you're buying from Amazon or another third-party retailer. Lifting up the band packaging reveals some information about how to attach and remove the band segments. And after opening the bottom section, we find 3 band segments. The top band segment is the one with the pin, and you'll use it no matter what size of the bottom band segment fits you best. The other band segments are 2 different sizes, one labeled ML for medium large, and the other labeled SM for small medium. If you look at the bands side by side, you can actually see that there is some overlap in the sizing, but the sizing holes are offset. So if your wrist fits both bands, go ahead and try on both to see if one fits just a little better. Next, I'll give you a quick demonstration to show you how easy it is to attach and remove Apple Watch bands. Starting with the top band segment, all you have to do is line up the band with the slot in the watch case and slide it in until you feel it lock into place. You should also hear a click, and then the band shouldn't be able to slide out of the slot. To remove a band, you'll need to find the band release button on the back of the watch case. Press down on the button, and then you should be able to slide the band segment out of the slot. Now I'll go ahead and attach the small medium band segment because that's the size that fits me best. And here's a look at the back of the watch with the band attached, the side of the watch with the speaker, the other side of the watch with the digital crown, and the front of the watch. Alright, so the last thing I'll do is actually put the watch on my wrist so you can see how it looks. And in case you're wondering, my wrist circumference is 7 inches or 178 millimeters. And again, this is the 44mm Apple Watch Series 6 with a gold aluminum case and Pink Sand Sport Band. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up below as it really helps this video and my channel, and consider subscribing if you want to see more Apple Watch Series 6 videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.